Hi viewers, welcome to Excel Tutorial Hub. In this video, you will learn about the log function in Excel. The log function in Excel is used to calculate the logarithm of a number to a specified base. Let's walk through the function with the help of this table. So here I have already created a table with number, base, and we need to find out the logarithm. To find out the logarithm for the first number, we need to type here is equal to, type log, open parenthesis, click on the number, press comma, and now click on its base and close parenthesis, press enter. So you can see that I have found the logarithm of first number. Now I will drag it down. So that's how you can find the logarithm of all numbers. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Excel Tutorial Hub.